Take a ride in the 2022 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.